So now we're going to go on the outside. So if he had inside knee pain, we want to work on the outside. And where we start off first is right at his belt line right here, right below his hip there. That's his tensor fasciae lata muscle. TFL they call it for short. So we want to have a little bit of space here. A lot of people, when this is really tight, they can't bring their knee down to the table because it's so tight. And again, I'm just making space. I'm creating a little rocking motion. And having people lay sideways like this, you can work on both sides of the body very efficiently. So it feels like he's got like a piece of titanium or some aircraft material in here. It should be one flat band and it's just like a big hump here and then it goes down. Now it's already getting a little bit easier. So a lot of athletes, a lot of fighters, a lot of military, if you feel a big hump or there's a big bubble or something in the middle of the hamstring, you can identify that, and before it tears somewhere, you can loosen it up and spread it out, like as you watch in the videos when we're spreading the muscle back out again, and you keep them from getting injured, because those kind of injuries can put you out from 3 to 6 months. Now we're getting a pretty darn good pass now. And the way I can tell, it's easier to move. When I first pushed on here, nothing was happening. Henry's body was saying very bad words to me. Very bad words.
Close to that.
So now we can see, I mean, my arm is moving a lot easier down everything. Now we'll go back to the front and double check. And still pretty tight right there. Now right here starts to loosen up a little bit. So here again, that's the secret to gold. That muscle is actually unraveling. So the inside of the knee has to feel better because there's not as much tension on it anymore. Oh, that's amazing right there. So it's getting that little rocking motion like that. We're going across the fibers since they run long ways. And why do we go across the fibers, everybody? We do that because we want to get blood flow and circulation to that area. And we don't need it in a couple months. We need it now because there's a fight or there's a tournament or whatever in 1 or 2 days. And we have to be prepared for that. We're not going to go there to showcase our bodies and then start falling apart at the opening day. There we go.